The Eftalia Splash Resort is a delightful family-friendly hotel located in the charming town of Efsalar on Turkey's stunning Mediterranean coast. Situated just a short 15-minute walk from the beach, this vibrant resort offers the perfect blend of relaxation, entertainment, and comfort for guests of all ages. Upon arrival, visitors are greeted by the warm and welcoming atmosphere of the resort. The modern architecture and well-maintained grounds immediately set the tone for a pleasant stay. With less than 300 rooms, the Eftalia Splash Resort maintains an intimate feel while still offering a wide array of amenities and services to ensure a memorable vacation experience. The resort's comfortable accommodations are designed with guests' needs in mind. Each room is equipped with air conditioning, a minibar, and a private bathroom featuring a shower and complimentary toiletries. Many rooms also boast balconies, offering views of the surrounding landscape or the inviting pool area. The attention to detail in the room design creates a cozy and relaxing environment for guests to unwind after a day of fun in the sun. One of the standout features of the Eftalia Splash Resort is its impressive water park. The Aqua Park is a paradise for water enthusiasts, with a variety of slides and pools suitable for different age groups. Children can delight in the pirate ship-themed area, complete with smaller slides and water features perfect for younger guests. Meanwhile, older kids and adults can experience the thrill of larger, more adventurous slides that wind and twist their way through the park. The main pool area is spacious and inviting, ideal for those who prefer a more relaxed aquatic experience or simply want to lounge poolside and soak up the Turkish sun. For beach lovers, the hotel offers a convenient free shuttle service to its private beach area. Just a short 5-minute ride away, the shuttle runs every 20 minutes, ensuring easy access to the beautiful Mediterranean shoreline. Here, guests can enjoy the golden sands and crystal-clear waters that make the Turkish Riviera a sought-after destination. The Eftalia Splash Resort operates on an all-inclusive basis, allowing guests to indulge in a wide array of culinary delights throughout their stay. The main restaurant serves buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering a diverse selection of international and Turkish cuisine. The food quality is generally good, with plenty of options to satisfy different tastes and dietary requirements. From fresh salads and local specialties to international favorites, there's something to please every palate. In addition to the main restaurant, the resort features several bars and snack areas where guests can enjoy refreshments and light bites throughout the day. Whether you're looking for a quick snack between water park adventures or a refreshing cocktail to sip by the pool, the resort's dining options have you covered. Entertainment is a key focus at the Eftalia Splash Resort, with a dedicated animation team organizing various activities throughout the day and evening. From pool games and sports tournaments to evening shows and mini disco for children, there's always something happening to keep guests engaged and entertained. The resort also features a kids club, providing supervised activities for younger guests and allowing parents some time to relax and enjoy the facilities. For those seeking relaxation and pampering, the Eftalia Splash Resort offers a wellness area. Here, guests can indulge in various treatments and massages, or simply unwind in the sauna. The spa facilities provide a tranquil escape from the lively atmosphere of the main resort areas, offering a perfect balance to the excitement of the water park and other activities. The hotel's commitment to cleanliness is evident throughout the property, with staff regularly seen maintaining the premises. The rooms, public areas, and pool facilities are kept in good condition, contributing to the overall positive experience of guests. The friendly and attentive staff members are often praised for their service, adding to the welcoming atmosphere of the resort. While the Eftalia Splash Resort primarily caters to families, it's also suitable for couples and groups of friends looking for a lively and entertaining holiday experience. The resort's location in Efsalar provides easy access to local attractions and shopping opportunities. Guests can explore nearby towns or take excursions to historical sites in the region, adding cultural experiences to their beach and pool-focused vacation. The Eftalia Splash Resort offers good value for money, especially for families seeking an all-inclusive holiday with plenty of on-site activities and entertainment. While it may not be the most luxurious option in the area, it provides a comfortable and enjoyable stay with its range of facilities and friendly service. The resort's location, approximately 105 minutes from the airport, makes it easily accessible for international travelers. This relatively short transfer time means guests can quickly begin their vacation without a long journey after their flight. In summary, the Eftalia Splash Resort in Efsalar is a vibrant and family-oriented destination that combines the convenience of all-inclusive service with exciting water park facilities and a range of entertainment options. Its proximity to the beach, comfortable accommodations, and varied dining options make it an attractive choice for travelers looking for a fun-filled holiday on the Turkish Riviera. Whether you're splashing in the pools, relaxing on the beach, or enjoying the evening entertainment, the Eftalia Splash Resort aims to provide a memorable vacation experience for all its guests.